start making the cake by preparing the layers. We should make 3 layers. One is different. For one layer, you need 5 egg whites, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 100 grams of blended or chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Find the full ingredient list below the video. Put 5 egg whites in a large bowl and whisk while gradually adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. Then add the walnuts and breadcrumbs. Sift the flour and cocoa powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa, since this variety is quite strong. If using weaker cocoa, add 2 tablespoons. Now combine everything with a spatula. Line a 26 centimeters round baking pan with parchment paper and spread the entire layer mixture. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius, but when baking the layer, reduce temperature to 180 degrees. While first layer bakes, prepare the second layer the same way. Put reserved yolks directly in the pot where they'll be cooked. Layer is baked after 15 minutes. While second layer bakes, make the glaze. 100 grams of dark chocolate, 2 tablespoons of sugar, then pour over 250 milliliters of boiling milk. Wait for chocolate to begin melting, then mix thoroughly. Now for the third layer, 4 egg whites, whisk well, gradually adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then add 4 yolks, one at a time. Then sift 4 tablespoons of flour and 5 grams of baking powder. Mix everything well with spatula. Layer mixture is ready. Pour into the same lined pan used for previous layers. Smooth top and bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees. Add 10 tablespoons of sugar to yolks. Then whisk everything together. When mixture doubles in volume and lightens, it's ready to steam. When water starts boiling in the bottom pot, steam the yolk mixture for 15-20 minutes from that point. Meanwhile, third layer finished baking. Remove from pan to cool. I'll flip it upside down on this layer to help flatten it. After occasional stirring for 12 to 13 minutes, add 100 grams of dark chocolate. Stir until melted, then remove from heat. To cool the filling, stirring occasionally. Final filling looks like this, now removing from heat. When yolk filling cools, cream 250 grams softened margarine or butter with 100 grams powdered sugar. Then add cooled yolk cream. Don't! No! Damn it! Filling is ready. Place cake ring on tray, put first layer inside. Cover layer with 1/3 of prepared glaze. If glaze cooled too much, remix and reheat slightly. Pour glaze over layer and let absorb. Then spread slightly less than half the cream on layer. Using less cream to have enough for thin coating on top and sides. Cake ring is optional. I keep it for easier cream application. Place yellow layer on top, but upside down. Upside down placement helps absorb more glaze. Now spread slightly less than half remaining cream on top. Final layer of glaze. Used all the glaze. Now refrigerate cake briefly to set. Then apply remaining filling.